Hello, angels, and welcome back to A Drop of Eden. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite essential oil blends to help ease those chronic allergies. If you're an allergy sufferer like I am, you know allergies can make you absolutely miserable. Over the years, I think I've tried every pharmaceutical on the market, and while I would get some relief, it just wasn't enough. This remedy was just what I needed to include in my daily allergy regimen. When used properly, it's safe, natural, and can be used with your daily allergy medication. So today I want to teach you how to make this essential oil rollerball to help ease your allergies. The first oil we're going to use in this blend is peppermint essential oil. If you watched my previous video, you know that peppermint contains menthol, which has cooling properties, and also has the ability to clear bronchial airways and the sinus. One of the reasons we have allergy symptoms is the membranes where our lungs, throat, and nose get irritated. Peppermint oil works because it's both cooling and soothing to your mucous membranes, helping to not only clear the sinuses, but reduce the inflammation. The second oil we're going to use is lavender essential oil. It works as a natural antihistamine and possesses strong anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and relaxing properties to treat and relieve most allergy reactions. The third and final oil we're going to use is lemon essential oil. Lemon acts as an expectorant, which means it actually helps to rid your body of excess phlegm. Lemon has been used for years to help support the lymphatic drainage system. One of the things you'll notice when you have allergies or a cold is your lymph nodes tend to become swollen. Lemon can actually help drain those lymph nodes and thin out the mucus. The essential oil brand I'm using today is Nanda essential oils. Most aromatherapists and even most essential oil users tend to stick to one brand of oils. I'm not one of those. I tend to use several different brands of oils and tend to stock up where I can get the best deals. The most important thing to remember when buying essential oils is that you're buying them from a reputable company and that they are 100% pure. I trust Nanda essential oils because they not only plant with non-GMO seeds, they don't use chemical pesticides, and they also grow their plants in its original place of origin, or as close to it as possible. Nanda also tests every batch of their oil, not only in their labs, but use a third-party testing facility. Their oils also come with a detailed third-party GCMS lab testing report that includes details such as the oil's major constituents, percentage, and everything you need to know to ensure that the essential oil you're getting is indeed 100% pure. I use this blend daily, not only in my rollerballs, but in my personal inhaler, in my diffuser, and on my diffuser jewelry. So I keep it pre-blended in a dropper bottle for easy access. One last thing before we get making. Be sure you're storing your blends and using rollerballs that are made with amber or cobalt blue to protect them from losing their therapeutic benefits and from going rancid. So today I chose a 10 milliliter cobalt blue rollerball. You'd be surprised at just how easy this is to make. It is so simple. You simply just uncap, use the little tool here to pop out the rollerball, put in your essential oils. Now it's not recommended to go over a 5% dilution for everyday use. Unless you have these pre-blended, you would use 3 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of peppermint for a 5% dilution, and then top with your chosen carrier oil. Since I have this pre-blended, I'm going to go ahead and put in my 9 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to put in my carrier oil. Now, I chose grapeseed oil because it's good for your skin and is readily available. I'm using a pipette to put it in, but you could just as easily use a funnel or eyeball it. This is perfect to roll under your nose, put on the back of your neck, your temples, or to put on your diffuser joy. Whatever your chosen method, I found that you get a lot of relief from sinus pressure, opening up blocked sinuses, and even relieving chest pressure. There we go. Now I'm simply going to put my rollerball back in, making sure that it's completely secure. Cap it. And it's ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And check out the description box below where you'll find links to where I purchased my essential oils, my rollerballs, and the dropper bottles, as well as a link to my blog where you'll find extra information on how to use essential oils, safeties, recipes, substitutions, scaling, and a whole lot more. Thanks so much for watching.